Hi! I am matter. Everything around you is made of me. I am everywhere.
Today we are going to learn about matter. Welcome to The Adventures of Matter. Let's learn the definition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space.
I am made of tiny particles called molecules.
My first state is solid form, with fixed shape and fixed volume. In solid state, all my molecule friends are tightly packed.
My second state is liquid, with fixed volume but no fixed shape. In liquid state, my molecule friends are loosely packed.
My third state is gas. Oh, no fixed shape or volume. All my molecule friends stay far apart and move freely.
Sometimes I change my state from solid to liquid. Example, ice changing into water. This change is called melting or fusion. Sometimes I change from liquid to solid, like water turning into ice. This is called freezing. The change from solid directly into gas is called sublimation.
When boiling water changes into water vapor, I call it boiling or vaporization. And when gas changes directly into solid, I call it deposition.
When water vapor touches a cold surface, it cools down and changes back into liquid water. Look at the steam. When vapor, or gas, changes into a liquid at a constant temperature, the process is called condensation.
Hi, friends! I am Molecule. Molecules are made of atoms. Atoms join together to form molecules. A molecule with only one atom is called monoatomic. Example tack: helium. A molecule made of two atoms is called diatomic. Example: oxygen.
A molecule with more than two atoms is called polyatomic. Examples: Toptus, water, and carbon dioxide. Let's learn the characteristics of molecules. They are very tiny, have spaces between them, move continuously, and attract each other.
The space between molecules is called intermolecular space. It is least in solids, more in liquids, and maximum in gases. Do you know? My molecule friends have a secret force. In solids, molecules hold each other very tightly. No space, bro! That is why solids keep a fixed shape and volume.
In liquids, the intermolecular force becomes weaker.
So liquid molecules can move around each other easily.
In gases, the intermolecular force is the weakest.
Heat absorbed or released during change of state without any change in temperature is called latent heat. During change of state, temperature remains constant. Average kinetic energy remains constant. Potential energy changes.
Ayan and Kashu, it's time for an experiment activity. Let's prove that matter is made up of tiny particles.
Hey, Kashu! Today we are going to prove that matter is made of tiny particles.
Wow! Really? Let's do the experiment.
First, we add potassium permanganate crystals into water.
The water is turning pink.
Now I will stir it using a glass rod so the crystals dissolve evenly.
It looks like magic paint.
We transfer a small amount of solution from one beaker to another.
The pink color becomes lighter each time.
This happens because matter is made of millions of tiny particles.
So tiny particles spread throughout the water.
We are tiny particles called molecules.
Even a tiny crystal contains millions of particles.
Hey Kashu, before leaving the lab, shall I ask you a question related to the experiment?
Yes, Ayan, go ahead.
You know that molecules are very small. Can you tell me the approximate size of a molecule?
Yes, Ayan, I know the answer. Today morning I read the lesson. The answer is 10 to the power minus 10 meters.
Good job, Kashu! Well done!
Science is fun when we learn through experiments.
See you in the next science adventure. Hey, cute friends! I composed a song. Listen to it. Listen to it and enjoy.
Molecules in motion, that's the way it goes. Solids vibrate tightly, liquids freely flow. Gases spread out quickly everywhere they go.
Superb, my molecule friend!
There are three main things which decide the state. First one is intermolecular force. Second one is force of attraction between the molecules. Third one, kinetic energy due to motion.
The intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules of same substance is called force of cohesion.
The force of attraction between the molecules of different substances is called force of adhesion. Do you know melting and freezing use the same amount of heat? When ice melts, it absorbs heat. When water freezes, it gives out the same amount of heat.
Water behaves differently when it freezes. Water expands when it freezes. Wax and lead contract when they freeze. Remember, adding salt to ice lowers its freezing point. This creates a powerful freezing mixture, perfect for making delicious kulfi.
A substance boils and condenses at the exact same temperature. For water, that point is 100 degrees Celsius.
When heated, water boils and turns to steam. Steam changes back into water at 100 degrees Celsius.
Pressure affects boiling point. Higher pressure is having higher boiling point. Lower pressure is having lower boiling point.
Remember the magic numbers. Ice melts at 0 degrees Celsius. Water freezes at 0 Celsius.
Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Melting needs 3.36 times 10 to the power of 5 joules per kilogram. And boiling needs 2.26 times 10 to the power of 6 joules per kilogram. You already know, evaporation is the process by which a liquid changes into vapor from its. Evaporation produces cooling because it takes heat from his surroundings.
Hello, students! I am evaporation. I am a slow process. I happen only at the surface of liquid. I can occur at any temperature. During me, the surrounding temperature falls. Hello, students! I am boiling. I am a rapid process. I happen throughout the liquid. I occur at a specific constant temperature called boiling point. During me, the surrounding temperature remains constant.
My cute friends, I made the matter lesson easy. See the recapitulation points of the whole lesson.
Join NCERT Toon Academy and explore the amazing world of science.
Me, I am Matter. Please join our NCERT Toon Academy channel. Like, share, and subscribe.